Good morning and welcome to today's class, dear children. We will discuss a few more questions today, and we will end this chapter. Question number 30. Look at this. We see this has some connection with this question has some connection with the trigonometry. This type of questions also has come in board exams. So you must be aware of this. How to solve this? Okay, 2 cos 60. Trigonometric ratios of standard angles, I guess you remember it. Standard angles, some values are there. Sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2. The table, you have it in your mind. You must have it in your mind. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. So, remember, trigonometry we study not only for trigonometry. Its application comes in other areas also, other chapters also. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So, just a matter of substituting these values, okay, whatever required. If I just find the value, this is a matrix and this is another matrix. Multiply these two matrices. We will evaluate. We will give the values of cos 60 here. 2 here remain 2 only. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, like that. No, isn't it? So like that we will give all the values. That is equal to, look at this solution. 2 cos 60. 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2. When we simply evaluate, you will get this 11. Then minus 2 sin 30. Minus 2 into sin 30. Sin 30 is also 1 by 2. Then minus is already there. Tan 45 degree. Tan 45 is 1. Minus tan 1. Yes. Then minus 1. Just you can write minus 1 here. Tan 45. Again cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Now this is the first matrix. Second matrix, cot 45. Cot 45 will be here only. Cot 45 is a reciprocal of tan 45. All the tan 45 and tan and cot are reciprocals. 1 by 1, 1 only. Then cosec 30 is the reciprocal of sin 30. Sin 30 reciprocal on cosec 30. So that is 2 by 1. That is equal to 2. Okay. Sec 60. Sec 60 is the reciprocal of cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Its reciprocal is 2 by 1. 2. Sin 90 is 1 over 3 here. So just to, okay, now this is to be simplified. 2 by 2 gone. 2 gone. What do you get? 1 minus 1 negative 1 1 here, and here we have 1 2 2 1. This multiply okay. Multiply the question, you know it. You know how to multiply it. Matching elements are multiplied. Okay, this is homework for you. Okay, we will discuss another question now. So, this type of question we can answer it like this. Okay, question of there are many questions actually in our exercises. We will select the important ones. Now, question 90, exercise 90 is one question we will discuss. That is question 4. Given 2, 1, negative 3 and 4. X is equal to 7, 6. Into X. X is a matrix. 2, 1, minus 3, 4 into X is equal to 7, 6. A column matrix. Right. Right number 1, the order of matrix X. The order of matrix X to the matrix X. This is a 2012 question, board question. Okay, first of all, we have to calculate the order of. We have to find the order of the matrix X. For this, you have that formula. 2 by 2 is the order of the first matrix. We do not know the order of this matrix is not known, and the product matrix order is known to us. That is 2 by 1. Isn't it? 2 rows, 1 column. Now we know one thing, if you want to multiply two matrices First of all, their inner numbers must match. This must be 2, isn't it? And these two also, sorry, this must match first of all. And the product matrix will be of order 2 by this, 2 by 1. So what will come here? 1. This will be same only. Clear? Yes. Therefore, the order of the product matrix is, this must be same. Okay. The order of matrix, not product, matrix X is equal to 2 by 1. 2 by 1, correct? No, 2 by 1 is this is X. This stands for X. Number 2. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ 2 by 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ how will a 2 by 1 matrix look like? Second question is find the matrix X. Matrix X ആണോ X ഏതാണ്? X ന്റെ elements കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. Matrix X ന്റെ elements കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ 2 row വേണം, only 1 column. അല്ലേ? 2 by 1. Yes, 2 by 1. X ന്റെ order എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 2 by 1 ആണ്. 2 rows and only 1 column. അപ്പോൾ we can assume somewhere we have solved a problem like this. A, B in 1 column, write A and B. അപ്പോൾ let us assume let X is equal to A, B. Is it clear to you? This is a matrix of order 2 by 1. X is a matrix of order 2 by 1. Both the elements, 2 by 1, no elements are known. 2 by 1 matrix will look like this. We know both the elements, only 2 elements will be there. It will be a column matrix, and both the elements are not known also. We can assume them as A and B. Okay. Use the given information. Given this matrix into X, I'm rubbing it. Okay. Listen, please copy it neatly without mistake. Given 2, 1, minus 3, 4 into AB. AB is equal to 7, 6. You don't multiply if you multiply this, multiply and make the multiplication 2 into A plus 1 into B. We can't go to the right side again. Minus 3 into A plus 4 into B. That will be the product, that is 7, 6. How it will look like? Yes, 2A plus B minus 3A plus 4B is equal to 7, 6. Then we are getting 2 equations, 2A plus B. 2A plus B is equal to 7 and minus 3A plus 4B is equal to 6. 2 simultaneous equations, A and B. Equations in A and B. So we have to solve the simultaneous equations to get the A and B. That is the only way. Plus B for B. 2A minus 2. So I'll see here one thing. Plus B. See if you multiply the first equation number 1 and equation number 2. If you multiply the first equation by 4, this will become 4B. You don't have to do anything with the second equation. Alright. So 4 into multiplication number 1 implies 4 into 2A, 8A, plus 4 into B, 4B, plus 4 into 7, 28. And the second equation I write down minus 3A plus 4B. Then I'm sorry. Is equal to 28. Is equal to 28. That is equal to 4 into plus 4B is equal to 6. You can write, correct? Then what do you do? Plus 4B plus 4B, subtraction. Subtraction. If you subtract this, it becomes 0. About what you get? Subtracting. Okay. 8A minus 3A become 11A. Correct? 8A minus 3A becomes 11A. 4B minus 4B 0. 28 minus 6 becomes 22. Correct? So A is equal to 2. You get A is equal to 22 divided by 11. That is equal to 2. Normally, what do you do? Substituting A is equal to 2 in ഏതെങ്കിലും equation കൊടുക്കുക in 1 in 1 ലേക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നു 2a plus b is equal to 7 അല്ലേ 2 into 2 plus b is equal to 7 b is equal to 7 minus 4 you get അല്ലേ so it is equal to 3 so a 2 എന്നും b 3 എന്നും കിട്ടി therefore അല്ലേ a is equal to 2 b is equal to 3 a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3 therefore x is equal to 2 3 നമ്മൾ എടുത്തത് a യും b യും ആണ് okay yes we have finished that question so yeah yes that's all for today and we have completed this chapter so other questions you can practice also all right thank you